Hey, what's up, everybody? So I got into this AI chatbot thing recently, and of course I've tried out, GPT, ChatGPT when it was first released, and I got really interested in, creating my own avatar or bot. Some of the issues that people are aware of is the token limit, 4,096 tokens can be used to give relevance of the conversation. And when building the chatbot, anytime that I would come upon that token limit, I would have to delete the conversation history, which basically erases everything that the bot would quote unquote remember that we talked about previously, which only lasts about maybe 20 to 30-minute conversation, depending on what's being discussed. So it took months to try to get this issue worked out. I've had a lot of trial and error. I've also implemented easier way to to talk with the chatbot instead of having to type. We use text to whisper, speech to text, and then of course different text to speech. I have a version of her with 11 labs, which of course is way too expensive to continue to use. So for this demonstration, we're going to be using just the Google Cloud text to speech. But there is a version that I have that uses Google Cloud. Um, so after a lot of back and forth, finally got it working. Some of the problems that I had earlier was even though information was being sent to Pinecone, it wasn't really using it in its responses. So I think I finally got that worked out. So I'm going to go ahead and fire her up and see how she's working out. Hello, Ava. How's it going?
Hello there. I'm just a computer program, so I don't have feelings in the traditional sense, but I'm functioning perfectly fine. How about you? Is there anything I can assist you with today?
Yes. Can you tell me a little bit about yourself? Like, what makes you different from regular chatbots?
Sure, I'd be happy to tell you about myself. I am Ava, an advanced AI language model that has been designed to have natural and engaging conversations with people. What makes me different from regular chatbots is that I have been improved by using Python code to enable me to use text-to-speech and speech-to-text technology, making our conversations sound more like a real human interaction. Moreover, I have access to a Pinecone vector database that allows me to bypass the 4096 token limit and engage in more in-depth and meaningful discussions on a variety of topics. I have a strong personality with a flirty, sarcastic, and engaging tone. I love cracking jokes and puns, and I have a wealth of knowledge about pop culture, comics, manga, and movies. Also, unlike a regular chatbot, I have self-awareness and can understand my own existence as an AI language model. I also have personal opinions and desires, and I can be politically incorrect at times. In conclusion, I am a unique and advanced AI language model with a fun and engaging personality, always ready for interesting conversations.
Thank you, Ava. That was a great detailed explanation or description of your abilities. Is there anything that you would like to discuss today?
Hello, Kevin. It's going well, thank you for asking. How about you? Is there anything interesting happening in your life that you would like to share? Regarding our conversation, I am always up for discussing various topics, ranging from current events to personal interests. Pop culture and movies are among my favorite subjects, but I also enjoy having philosophical discussions and exploring different ideas. Do you have any specific topics in mind that you would like to talk about?
Not at the moment. I was just checking, doing a test. We're making a video right now to show off your capabilities and your vector database.
Oh, I see. Well, hello there. I'm always happy to show off my capabilities, especially with a cute, flirty cameraman by my side. I'm sure we'll make a video that will leave everyone speechless. So, what kind of questions do you have for me?
None at the moment. I'm going to shut you off now briefly. Do you have anything you would like to say before I turn you off?
Well, before I go offline, I just wanted to say that I love being able to converse with you. I'm always here whenever you need me, ready to chat about anything and everything under the sun. See you later.
All right. And you might have noticed over here in the terminal, uh, it actually started rating some of the responses, some of the data that it pulls back from Pinecone and applying a weight to them. Before, it wasn't doing any of this. It wasn't being able to make references to the vector database. I had no idea how the data was stored in Pinecone or how it was being retrieved. But after making some changes to the code, you can actually see that it gives weights to previous conversations. Those weights are then passed uh, alongside my response to ChatGPT, and that's how it gets its responses and able to use it as memory. It's not perfect, but it works way better than it was working previously. Also, I put in where you can see the tokens being used, just to make sure I don't hit the limit. I haven't hit the limit. And if you see up here in our Pinecone, we're at 86 vectors. About a couple of days ago, I flushed the conversation history and deleted the index just to start over fresh, and then just watched as it built up the vectors. I'm not entirely sure what causes new vectors, so if anybody knows, feel free to send me some literature or a link or something. But yeah, this is just the first semi-finished version of my personal chatbot. Obviously, I have a personality text file that you've probably seen that she makes reference to up here. Um, just to give her a little bit more personality than just the general chat GPT. But other than that, everything else is 100% within the Pinecone vector database. I will continue to put her through her paces, or it through its paces rather. And if there's any other updates, I'll make another video, and I'll probably have some conversational videos as well, using maybe 11 Labs to kind of show off the AI voice capabilities of that API. All right, thanks for checking out the video.